Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to format a PC. First, always back up your important files and personal data to an external drive or cloud service. Next, gather your Windows installation media, which could be a DVD or a USB drive. Don't forget to find your product key, often on a sticker or in your purchase confirmation email. Finally, ensure your computer is connected to a stable power source to prevent interruptions during the process. Now, let's begin the installation. Restart your computer and repeatedly press the designated key, usually F2, F12, Delete, or ESC, to enter your BIOS or UEFI settings. Once there, navigate to the boot options and set your installation media as the first boot device. Save your changes and exit. Your computer will then boot from the installation media, prompting you to select your language and keyboard preferences. With the Setup wizard open, select the Custom, Advanced Installation option. This allows you to manage your disk partitions. Carefully identify and delete any existing partitions on the hard drive where you intend to install Windows. Then, either create a new partition or select the unallocated space and click Next. The installation process will then begin, copying files and setting up your operating system. After the main installation, your computer will restart. You'll then be guided through setting up your user account and personalizing Windows. Next, it's crucial to install all necessary device drivers for your hardware, like graphics and network adapters. Immediately run Windows Update to ensure your system has the latest security patches and improvements. Finally, reinstall your favorite applications and restore your backed up files to complete the process.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.